Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll explore the exciting world of augmented reality or AR in the field of architecture. Over the next hour, we'll examine how AR is transforming architectural design, visualization, and client engagement. We'll look at practical examples, including integrating AR with architectural models, and we'll even write some code to demonstrate how to create an AR application. Let's start with a brief overview of augmented reality and its importance in architecture. AR enhances the real world by overlaying digital information. It allows architects to visualize their designs in a real-world context, making it easier to communicate ideas to clients and stakeholders. Now, let's discuss some practical applications of AR in architecture. One of the most significant use cases is project visualization. Clients can walk through a digital model of the design before it's built, allowing for adjustments and feedback during the design phase, ultimately leading to better outcomes and fewer changes during construction. Before coding, let's talk about tools and platforms available for AR development. Unity is one of the most widely used game engines that support AR through a range of plugins including Vuforia, AR Foundation, and more. For Android, we have AR Core, and for iOS, we have AR Kit. Today, we'll focus on Unity with AR Foundation for a cross-platform solution. To get started, you'll need to download and install Unity. If you haven't already, visit the Unity website, create an account, and grab the latest version of the software. Depending on your platform, make sure you include the support for AR development during installation. Once you have Unity installed, open the application and create a new 3D project. Name it AR Architecture Demo. This will set up a new workspace where we can build our AR experience. Next, let's set up AR Foundation. Go to the Package Manager by clicking on Window, Package Manager. In the Package Manager, search for AR Foundation and install it. You might also want to install AR Core and AR Kit packages if you are planning to deploy for both Android and iOS. Now that our foundational packages are installed, let's create our AR scene. In the hierarchy, right-click and select XR, then AR Session. This component manages the AR session that tracks the environment. We also need an AR session origin. Right-click again and select XR-AR Session Origin. This object will serve as the root for the AR world. Our next step is to add AR capabilities to our session origin. Select AR Session Origin in the hierarchy, look at the inspector and click Add Component. Add the AR camera, which will render the AR view. Now we need to add some models to visualize an AR. We can use 3D architectural models. For this demo, I'm going to use a simple cube as a placeholder for an architectural element. Right-click in the hierarchy and create a 3D object, cube. We will transform this cube into our AR object. Scale it to the desired size. Next, we'll start coding the AR functionality. We want the cube to appear when we tap on the screen. To do this, create a new script labeled AR PlaceObject. Attach this script to the AR session origin. Open the script in your IDE. We'll use a raycast to determine where the user is tapping on the screen and place our object there. In this script, we are checking if there are any touches on the screen. When touching begins, we perform a raycast to detect if we have hit any planes, which are the surfaces we can place our objects on. If we have hits, we instantiate our object at the position of the first hit. Now, let's link our script to the cube we created earlier. In the inspector, under the AR PlaceObject script component, you need to drag and drop the cube into the Object to Place field. This ensures our script knows what object to instantiate when we tap on the screen. Now it's time to test our application. Connect your mobile device to your computer and switch to building the application for your operating system, either Android or iOS. Before we build, let's make sure we have set up the correct player settings. Go to Edit, Project Settings, Player. Under the Resolution and Presentation section, ensure that XR settings are activated and check AR Core supported for Android or AR Kit supported for iOS. Once you've configured the player settings, go to File Build Settings. Make sure your platform is selected appropriately, Android or iOS. Click a Build and Run. Choose a destination folder where you would like the APK or app to be saved, and Unity will compile your AR app. Once the build process is complete, the app should automatically launch on your device. Now, go ahead and find a flat surface to test your AR app. Tap on the screen, and you should see the cube appear on the surface. Manipulate your angle to see the cube from different perspectives, showcasing how AR allows for immersive visualization. Now that we have a working AR application, let's discuss the potential benefits AR presents for architectural firms. First, it helps speed up the design process. Instead of relying on 2D plans and models, stakeholders can view a project in 3D in real environments, making critical decisions faster. Second, it improves communication. AR effectively conveys complex architectural designs and concepts, bridging the gap between technical language and client understanding. This leads to more informed decisions and client satisfaction. Lastly, AR can enhance marketing efforts. Clients are more likely to engage with immersive content. Utilizing AR in presentations can help capture attention and give clients a preview of how their project will look in the real world. As we conclude this tutorial, remember that AR is a powerful tool that can significantly change the way we approach architecture. By integrating AR into your workflows, you can set your practice apart as innovative and modern. I encourage you to explore further and experiment with this technology because the possibilities are truly exciting. Thank you for joining me today in exploring the integration of augmented reality in architecture. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos on advanced technology and programming, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep innovating.